E-League training today. We're taking care of the goddess right there. She's not feeling too well. Poor thing. We must nurse her back to great health. You should hear that cough. It sounds just horrible. It's been coughing for the past 2 weeks. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. But nice, clean doctor's office. What are you? 0? On a scale of 1 to 10. How are you feeling? On a scale of 1 to 10. Hello?
4 to 6.
Oh no. Moderate. Moderate and severe. Oh no. We're gonna get you back to number 0. No pain. No pain.
It's not pain, I'm just really hungry, but I just can't eat.
We'll handle it.